Hey, this is Alex Maya with Mutha Trucker News. Man, I have some incredible news right now. A subscriber saw the video that we did yesterday of another Mutha Trucker that got his semi-truck and trailer stolen in Houston, Texas. And this subscriber was going to the Flying J and he saw it on the side of the road in Brookshire, Texas, which is about 36 minutes away. Now, he was headed to the Flying J. He called the phone number and he let the guy know. Now, here's the crazy part. You know, he was offering a $20,000 reward. That truck driver opted out, didn't want anything for it, just wanted to help another Mutha Trucker out, man. How amazing is that? You know, there's videotapes of it. It looked like they roughed up the truck a little bit. They stole his personal items inside the cab and they took the trailer. You know, so Mutha Truckers, all in all, you know, the trailer's still missing, but I am so appreciative to all the subscribers out there. Thank you so much. And I appreciate that driver that didn't want to take that $20,000 reward, because that's just like that truck driver losing twice. I love you guys so much, and thank you. We have a real community here and we try our best to help each other. I'm just so thankful that I could be a part of this. Mutha Truckers, thank you so much again. You know, to Mr. Rodriguez and your family, they were so appreciative. I mean, crying to tears, so happy. We thank you so much. And to the community, man, y'all the best. Mutha Truckers, in and out.